Okay, so now we're moving on to who uses FME. So in this unit, we're going to take a look at who uses FME and where you fit in with that, describe some of the industries that use FME, and some of the data types. So who are the FME users? In short, it's anyone that has data which is not quite the way that they want it or where they want it. Some of the categories are GIS technicians, GIS experts, business data analysts, citizen integrators, and integration specialists. Now, naturally, as you know, there's a lot of different industries out there using spatial data. So some of the ones which use FME, airports and aviation, architects and engineering, commercial, defense and aerospace, education or nonprofit emergency services, etc., all levels of government, telecommunications, transportation, utilities. So you probably fall into one of those categories. Now, what type of data does FME support? We are constantly adding new systems that are supported by FME. We can see here the timeline as we've gone on. We started with the GIS formats and then quickly added CAD support as well. Tabular data, databases, etc. Rasters came in a little bit later, and now as each new thing comes out, we look at integrating that into FME as well. There is a link here. There's a link to our data types on our web page. So here, if you're interested in any of these, you can find these on our website and you can see what kind of support we have. Overall, there's over 400 different formats that we support. I think it might be over 500 now. So whatever data you have, chances are we support it.